Tukon ka breaking news and temere which ka South Sudan kur mishe to kam SSPDF kene NAS National Salvation Front re which actual ke ka jo KG County ke jen weekend me bana jaling man ping ne kon ya naka ken ki men dan shor la dare which we mi ngai konan gwa an tema ke jen gwa se me South Sudan te tre malka goro jen wo be larmanan le rode goro no jin bi nyo nasin ko ken mi jiram jidit ku subscribe kan war online tv channel ko beler tv kan chamal shu kiji gwasa ndana pay kala rech name lar mi jidin mi pay brech ki mi pay non kam kume SSPDF kene NAS bajja ladje kenyam ka tok nuari ki ka thoknath ka kore bana orach ki bajo ladje ka tok English ka do bana chanon kaja ke jen gwasa me bu kon linga ngai kono South Sudan ke jen gwasa me chetre malka ngai kono no te ka ngwane to ngwan lung to wejek re kuma ka re wika South Sudan man chalat gwasa me chalat ro shane ti shop ka di sha kanak naka ke re kor mi tuɔɔk kam SSPDF kene NAS SSPDF is South Sudan People Defense Force NAS a National Salvation Front e bondo dien metere wajin winami ka kajo keji shikaji espele mayo NAS a National Salvation Front me party ke bondo dien metedor ka kor dan ci tuɔɔk ke weekend chala dunwo ne dang diech shika liware kormo kor dan ci tuɔɔk kam National Salvation Front kene SSPDF ke kum men pinkir ma yadit ne dang ditin kone chiliu a ware dien ne dang ro ka gati tiene ka ga dang ro chiliwo kene tin kon tin chop ka diech pegden dial kene diech kene ne kon chiliu re dien ne ro to ka gati tiene cha ro mo cha jalat bana mandan le ro do gwasame ngum terke ngai kone ngum terke ka kajo keji ke equatorial region ngum nonglia ngum mi jak South Sudan ko bet kor ke jen gwasame ngum jang nat ko bna liu re wika South Sudan te tet ka kirma yadi wal te tet kanga kirma yadi de ngusha mal che no go no bna te kamal ne me ngum le rode raja me roj mishala de Major General Lurey ke report mishala de no en kor me to ke Saturday ka jalimo buma ka kangapo payam jen gwasdan tin NAS ki NAS ki National Salvation Front gwasmene ano National Salvation Front wa Canadian kon tin chamak ka do bana chalat ke jeduno misalat gwasme ramadan la General Lurey kong ki ramadan la lere SSPDF valat jenene jene cha de dien cha jamak la SSPDF cha ka mak ke military base dien entre wetin winami ano ka jal limo boma ka jen equatoria kwana mana le rodo gwasme kwana jalat ngum shora lat bajal nong ye ka tok English ko biya jelinga gwa ka kwi ko dana ci to gwa mi ne die ci lutin radian ne dangro ka gade tiene ne dok ke ken la de ni mo ke ka kala soldier kwana man le rodo gwa zam kwana jeling ka tok English. Fighting between the South Sudan People Defense Force or SSPDF and the National Salvation Front in Kajokeji County over the weekend left 5 people dead, including 2 children, according to an army spokesperson. Both the SSPDF and NAS confirmed clash between their forces in Kajokeji, resulting in the deaths of 3 soldiers and 2 children. In a press briefing on Monday, Major General Lurey reported that the clash occurred on Saturday at Jalimo Buma in Kangapo Payam after NAS or National Salvation Front force attack an SSPDF or South Sudan People Defense Force military base. The attack led to the deaths of 3 SSPDF soldiers and 2 children, with 2 civilians also wounded. On February 9, at around 6 a.m. in the morning, NAS Salvation Front or National Salvation Front rebel attacked our position at Jalimo Buma of Kangapo Payam Kajokeji County of Central Equatoria State. General Lurey Kong stated during a press briefing at the SSPDF military headquarters in Bilpam. The surprise attack on our position left 3 servicemen dead, 2 civilians were shot and wounded, and 2 children from the same family were thrown into a house that was on fire. They were burned beyond recognition. Gadang roti ka gada cha yor kare mach cha nang ka mach cha yor kare duel mepet The surrounding villages that were surrounded by the army barrack were burned to ashes, and some civilians were displaced, but the aspect of the displacement of civilians will be given to you by the area commissioner. In response, National Salvation Front spokesperson Suba Samuel Manasseh denied the SSPDF accusation in press statement released on Tuesday, February 11, 2025. Instead, he accused the army of carrying out the attack. National Salvation Front kan SSPDF kan kamak. And terminate kon liu gwas me civilian mien guyena. Kor lat korodian te tamare we ka Sudan ne kon jiga baydien ka civilian. Kor yala twokti ne kon jig bayde ne kon liu ni sha. Ne kon tin wiyen sha. Shiga deni ka shi kuma ne tin liu ka civilian. Kor dialati ano men buga kapchong en ne selva kema yadit karwade. Ajen bi laro chana te kamal yene ete dor pain kun chana te kamal ajen dana be malu ben ke jen dana be Sudan be te mal ke je kirim yadi nu ete chala ro mala te wano tele mi chala malu ben ne dialati te could defect ku ka rebel against kirim yadi awod kirim yadi te gorno be mal be te wano la jegen de ni ko ba control baname shi jen la solution chengna man gor kirim yadi gor solution odi alakir ne dialati ka non akalang ko jen miram nong mala thok bela de jene gure ye chan wi lat kel chong na kel duno mu ya gujin jeno bana be ga control kuna la liu bang gwa de mene liya di de me ni chiang je liya liu de ni ga she manaken liu civilian na mo ba kula gwa ne ka so dan tele chang mi chele ngano liu na tan ne me jen kurana chi tuɔɔk en tamam right kone kam SSPDF ken National Salvation Front Rewujin winemi ka Equatoria ka kajo keji. Again, the latest news in me ban madan le rode ka gwasin be ban jere ling an bi atakamal bye bye.